what's up YouTube, Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your 2017 Acura MDX. Now first thing we need to do is pop the hood. That's this little handle right here. The air filter is inside this little box right here. This is just a part of the air intake. In order to open this up and access the filter, there's just 3 little metal clips that you can just pull back one at a time with your finger. There's one down here on the back. And then we can just kind of pull this direction and up. You might have to wiggle it a little bit and pull out the old filter. And you can see that's actually really dirty. So it's a good thing we're changing this. Now before we put in the new filter, it's a good idea to open this up. Take a peek inside there, see if it's dirty or if there's any leaves or debris. And if there is, it's a good idea to vacuum that up with a shop vac. Otherwise that's all gonna get sucked into the new filter. Now the replacement that I'm using here is this Ultraflow by Pentius, part number PAB12061. It's a good idea to compare the old and new and make sure that they're the same exact size, which they appear to be. Now I just want to point out on the filter, this is not a symmetrical filter. You can't just put this in either way. If you see this end is different than this end here. This one that just has the little line, this is the part that goes in first or goes down. This is the old filter, but I just wanted to show you. Verify that as well on the new filter. You see right here, this end is different than this end. Let me see if I can show you inside here. You see right there? See that little channel right there? This little part right here has to fit into that little groove or that little channel inside the air filter. Right there. So I'll show you. If you get it wrong and you put this direction and you put that in, you see it won't actually sit down. Just make sure you get the orientation correct and drop it in place. All right, so now we have the new one in. I just wanted to show you, if I can, this little part down here. Just like here and on this side, it's just this little plastic tab. That has to fit in and under the little catch here. That looks good on that side. Kind of just wiggle it around a little bit. You don't want to get too crazy with this because you can damage this little air intake boot, but I think we got it right there, and then that should just sit nice and flat. If you're not careful, you can break off the plastic tab and then this won't seal properly. And then we can put the clips back on. And you're done. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this replacement filter as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.